What strategies do BPO companies employ to establish trust and rapport with prospective clients during the matching process? Do you really know who you're partnering with? The outsourcing industry is booming, with BPO companies promising to deliver efficiency, cost savings, and specialized expertise. But behind every promise lies a strategy to gain your trust and win your business. How can you be sure you're not just hearing what you want to hear? BPO companies know that trust is crucial. Without it, you wouldn't hand over any part of your business. They have studied the art of building rapport, using a series of tactics designed to make you feel secure. But are these strategies always in your best interest? First, there's the pitch. It's smooth, well-rehearsed, and tailored to address your pain points. They'll tell you how they've solved similar problems for businesses just like yours. But how much of it is true? Are the examples cherry-picked? Is the success they claim genuinely replicable for your unique situation? Next comes the presentation. You're shown data, stats, and case studies. Everything looks perfect on paper. But have you noticed that everything is always perfect? Are you seeing the full picture or just the highlights? Then the references. You're given a list of satisfied clients, ready to sing the praises of the BPO company. But what about the ones who aren't so happy? The ones who faced delays, missed KPIs, or worse, complete failure. You won't hear their stories unless you ask the right questions. This is where uncertainty creeps in. What if the BPO company isn't as transparent as they seem? What if the trust they're building is based on selective information? The truth is, misalignment between a BPO provider and your business can lead to devastating results. Wasted time, lost money, and broken promises are all too common when the wrong partner is chosen. But there's hope. There's a way to ensure you're not left in the dark. Outsourcing Fit was created to eliminate these uncertainties. We're not just a BPO broker. We're your partner in finding the right match. We don't rely on sales pitches or glossy presentations. Instead, we focus on real compatibility between your business and potential BPO providers. First, we start by understanding your unique needs. We dive deep into your business goals, challenges, and expectations. This isn't a surface-level conversation. It's a comprehensive analysis that ensures we know exactly what you're looking for. Next, we vet the BPO companies thoroughly. We don't just take their word for it. We dig into their performance history, client satisfaction rates, and operational strengths. We talk to both current and former clients to get an unbiased view of their capabilities. We then present you with options that align perfectly with your requirements. No surprises, no hidden agendas, just transparent, honest recommendations. You'll have the full picture, including potential risks and benefits, so you can make an informed decision. Finally, we're with you every step of the way. From the initial introduction to the final agreement, Outsourcing Fit ensures that the partnership is not just a match, but a perfect fit. We believe that when businesses are aligned with the right BPO provider, both sides thrive. Don't let fear and uncertainty hold you back from making the best choice for your business. At Outsourcing Fit, we're here to guide you, providing the clarity and confidence you need to succeed. Together, we can find the right partner who will help your business grow and prosper. If you found this helpful, please like, share, and subscribe. Register your email below to engage with Outsourcing Fit and access our content library for free.